up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting video. Today, I'm gonna be doing my first unboxing ever. If you guys follow me on my blog, I will leave it down here for you guys and down in the description bar below. If you guys follow me on my blog, you would have seen like this time last year, I had posted my wish list and this bag was definitely on it. I recently went to Louis Vuitton, picked up a gorgeous new bag. This is a bag I've been wanting forever, and I thought, why not unbox it with you guys? It's actually a purchase from my parents for graduating law school and for finally getting sworn in to actually become an attorney. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would already know that because you would see all of my postings that I've been doing. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you guys want to see more unboxing videos. Let me know if you guys have this bag. Let me know what's on your wish list. And of course, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more beauty, fashion, and of course, some unboxings. They did give me also a tiny little Louis bag. Here you get the receipt for that, and then they gave me this little pouch. This one was actually for my husband because he came with me, and they gave us little samples of 2 of the colognes they have. Their colognes, if you've never smelled them, smell amazing. I really wanted to get one for my husband, but the one I wanted in particular was sold out, and he wasn't really convinced with the other ones. So they gave us some samples, and they gave me this tiny little box for my samples here. So mine are in there. I went to their store in Las Vegas in May and I bought a little key pouch, but they did not give me any samples or anything like that. So the sales advisor here was amazing. She was really, really sweet. And she gave me a whole bunch of information about this bag, which I really appreciate. Like getting to the bag, here it is. It is huge, as you can see. It was in this huge bag. When you take it out, as you can see, box is huge. I will undo this with you guys right here. You open her up. Are you guys ready? So you get this big box, and then your bag comes in this dust bag. A lot of packaging when you buy it, which I appreciate because it's nice for like keepsake. Your bag comes in here. Open her up. And this is the bag. So I picked up the Damier Azur MM size bag. So this is the like cream color and the blue printed here. You have the vachetta in regular neutral color, and the inside of the bag I picked to be rose ballerine. So normally it does come with like a cream or vanilla type of lining on the inside, but I was like dead set on getting this one. I normally am not like a pink person, but for some reason when I saw the like pink ballerine lining, I just really liked it. I feel like it kind of gave it a little bit of a touch extra. I don't know, I really, really loved it. And then the really cool part about the Neverfulls, so when you buy a Neverfull, you get the bag obviously, and like I said, this is the MM size, so this is the medium one. The PM is smaller than this one, and then the GM is even bigger, but I didn't want something that was going to be so like overwhelmingly big. And then when you buy a Neverfull, it does come with a pouch on the inside as well, which is actually a really good deal. On the inside, it same has that pink ballerine lining, and then you have like a slot in here. So if you want to use this as a wristlet, if you just want to use this like on the go and you don't want to have to bring your Neverfull, you're kind of getting like 2 bags in one, because I know that Louis Vuitton does have like smaller bags like this. I think they're called the Damier Accessoire, and those cost a couple $100s as well. So to get like the actual Neverfull, and then you get a small pouch with it, you're kind of getting 2 in one. This bag is super, super popular. I know this bag a lot of people have, but they have it for a reason. It is a classic bag. You can use this literally for work. You can use this for travel. You can use this just as like your everyday bag. I do also like that you can pull in the straps here on the side. So if you want to kind of mold it to something like this, you know, you really can do 2 in 1 for this bag, plus you get the little pouch on the inside. Obsessed with this bag. I have wanted this bag forever, for the longest time. It's been on my wish list. I am dying to actually like bust it out and use this for work. It was just kind of like a huge accomplishment being able to get this. Huge shout out to my parents for getting this for me. Because obviously I wouldn't have it without them. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have the MM size, if you guys have the Damier Azur, how you like it, if you guys love Neverfulls, if you guys hate Neverfulls. I want to know. I want to talk all about it. Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you out. Thank you all so much for watching.